It is Monday morning. I got to show you these beautiful fabrics, and they're not just beautiful fabrics; they're amazing prices. So all of these are $12.99, and it includes. Check this out. I know it's going to be gone so fast. This is 100% stretch wool. You know that really beautiful stretch wool that's like 100 a yard. But I get all of it at a discount price, and I don't think it's fair to charge a lot. But this is so beautiful. I mean, slacks, jack, anything you did. It is a dark navy. It's not a black. It's a dark navy, and it's really, really beautiful. So 100% wool. It has stretch in one direction. We get into the golds, and they're just so pretty, and they're everywhere, you guys, for the holidays. This is a Pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions, so it's a Pontoroma knit. Lovely, lovely fabric, just even all by itself with even a black sweater. I put it with this because these blend so beautifully, but I love gold and black paired together, gold and navy as you saw over here. Just really pretty. This is from a designer called Jackie O. Jackie O does loungewear, and so all of her fabrics, the Pontorum is a cotton poly. All of her fabrics are really beautiful. Like this is 100% viscose. So it just wears really beautifully. It's soft. It's lovely. It's just got great drape. Really pretty fabric. This has stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric. Remember, they're all $12.99 today, tomorrow. This is the tencel. We had the French navy, and we have a couple different colors. This is a beautiful gold. You can see how it's just a perfect combination with this, but very pretty. Very great drape. Those cargo pants that I mentioned, but and so many other things. I did the blouse. I did the POM for the month, Mansei's blouse out of that French navy. Just a really pretty blouse fabric also. This goes with it beautifully. As you can see, they blend lovely. This is 100% cotton. It's a slightly pleated fabric. There's not much of this, so it has stretch in one direction. 100% cotton. You know that George's wrap, that beautiful twist, because both sides are so pretty, would be stunning in this, especially just a little tiny wrap for the holidays. Then we have the olive green. The olive green pairs so well with the gold. It's just a really pretty combination. And this is the tencel also. So it's an 100% tencel, olive green. It's a woven fabric, again, for pants, tops, blouses, you name it. And again, all at $12.99. So the goal is to keep you happy sewingly. I don't think that makes sense. But anyway, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.